Hi, M6079. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Caroline De La Cruz. I'm 40 years old, married. I have three children, 19 years old girl, 15 years old boy, and 13 years old girl. I'm Roman Catholic and high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
Uh, First, I work in Saudi Arabia since 2018 to 2024. A successful finish contract. I serve the family of two adults and four children. My main duties are cooking, general cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and the caring the child.
Okay, and your second employer?
And second, I work in Kuwait since 2015 to 2017 as a member, 11, uh, 9 adults and three children.
5 children.
No.
Okay.
My main duties, general cleaning, cooking, um,
Okay. Okay, so you are the one who do the household chores, right?
yes.
Okay, so you have two experiences in Saudi Arabia and also in Kuwait. And on your first employer, there was a big family, which is a family of 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 5 children and 6 adults. Almost 11, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
No, sir.
But it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the temperature. I give the milk. Maybe he or she's hungry, or the pampers is full. I will
Change the
change
diaper.
the diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I will try to call my employers, and then I tell them the baby's not stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want work to Hong Kong because as the safest place, and have a salary. They have high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employers want me to stay.
Okay. Um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn how to cook by watching YouTube and reading the cookbook.
Okay. If your employers prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about elderly taking care?
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future's employer, please hire me because I'm honest, obedient, diligent, and I will do my best, and I will respect your rules and your family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Caroline De La Cruz. Thank you.